Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. Me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed from Beria Foundation College, Nosharaf Rose, subject teacher computer. Dear students, in yesterday's lecture we learnt about home tape and insert tape, and in today's lecture we are going to learn about page layout. So first of all we will have to define it. What is the page layout? Page layout is one of the tabs which enables us to make or to set the size of our documents. So dear students, whenever you are going to type some material, some data on Microsoft Word and you want to print your pages from computer, page layout tab enable us to set the size of the document very easily. So dear students, for example in Microsoft Word we have typed some data according to our notes. So dear students, for example this is the data, this is the material that we have typed in Microsoft Word and we have to set the size of our pages. Then dear students, we can click on page layout and we can go to the margins. So dear students, when we will click on the margins, a menu is appeared here, and in the menu there are the different types of the sizes in margins. For example, there is the normal size, narrow size, moderate size, wide size, mirrored size and office 2003 default. So dear students, these are the sizes in margins feature in page layout tab which enable us to set the size of our document. So dear students, if you are going to click on the normal, it means your size of the page will be normal. If you are going to select another size of the page, for suppose we are going to select narrow, then our size of the document will be in narrow form. Secondly, if you want to change your size into moderate size, then you will have to click again on the margin size. Same menu will appear here and you will click on the moderate size. Okay dear students, so dear students, this is the margin size or this is the margins feature which enables us to select the type of the page that we want to set as the size of our document. तो dear students, क्या होता है पेज लेआउट टैब के अंदर जितनी भी फीचर्स है हमारे वो हमारी मदद करती है। जो पेज हमारा होता है उस पेज की जो साइज होती है उसको सिलेक्ट करने में हमारी मदद करती है। पेज में जो हमारी फ़ॉन्ट साइज़ है या स्पेस कितनी रखनी है सेंटेंसेस के अंदर, उस हिसाब से हमारी मदद करती है। या जो कॉलम्स होते हैं वो कॉलम्स कितने होने चाहिए हमारे टेक्स्ट के अंदर, इस तरह की मदद करती है क्या पेज लेआउट टैब। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन पेज लेआउट टैब we can set the sizes of our document and we can also give color, page color to the document, watermark, page borders. Okay dear students, so if you are going to give any color to your page, you can click on the page color, then a menu will appear, and if you are going to select any color of the page, then you can click on the color that you desire to be selected on your document. So dear students, for example, we have select on this color, the color of our page will be blue. If you are going to change the color of the document, secondly you will click on the page color feature, and if you are going to set or if you are going to select red color of your document, then your page will be red. If you are going to select the color of your page in green color, then you will click on the green color. So dear students, these are the features or techniques that enable us to apply on our document to fix the size of the font, sentence, space, left or right size of the document. We can give the watermark, we can use or set the color of the page, we can give the page borders. If you are going to click on the page border, your document will be bordered. Okay dear students, so dear students, for example, you are going to give this border, then you will have to click on the OK, and your page is bordered. Okay dear students, so dear students, in page layout tab we can use our document in such features that we have applied and discussed here, and we have also practiced on some options of the page layout feature. And today's lecture based on the page layout is winded up here, and dear students, your homework is to type about 10 to 12 sentences on Microsoft Word, and after typing the Microsoft Word you will have to give the orange color to your document, and you will have to give the border to the document, and finally you will have to set the normal size of your document. After completing your practical, you will send me your homework done on our WhatsApp group. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वंस अगेन होमवर्क आप समझें कि होमवर्क आपका ये है, आप माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड में 10 से 12 सेंटेंस जो हैं वो टाइप करेंगे। उसके बाद उसकी मार्जिन साइज आप नॉर्मल रखेंगे, और उसका जो पेज कलर है वो ऑरेंज रखेंगे। ऑरेंज रखने के बाद आप उसको बॉर्डर देंगे पूरे पेज को। ये आपका होमवर्क है, ये होमवर्क करके हमें व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे आप सेंड करेंगे। योर lecture is winded up here, and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5.